Hi, I'm Nate Johnson, CEO and founder of GLCS. I wanted to provide a brief update on what we've been up to over the last few weeks and what's in the weeks to come. If you've been watching our social media channels, you've probably noticed we were at Trimble Transportation's Insight Tech Conference and Expo, held at the Venetian in Las Vegas, Nevada. Last I heard, there were approximately 1,600 or more attendees. The event began Sunday, September 25th and ended Wednesday, September 27th. There were dozens of sessions offered, ranging from training on various solutions to industry updates. Overall feedback from the event was positive, and we want to thank Trimble Transportation and all of the personnel that put so much effort into the event this year. I also want to thank all of the sponsors of this year's event. A big thank you to Microsoft, Drivewise, and Isaac for their support. Isaac, it was great having a cabana next to you guys. It's always great hanging out with your team. I was especially excited to see that there were several services and system integration firms this year at bronze level or higher supporting the conference. A quick call out to Graybox Solutions for their gold sponsorships, and GLCS, Metaphora, and Transtech for their silver sponsorship. There were many other services firms that were sponsors at lower levels this year as well. Check out the video recaps posted up of the Insight Conference and events. There's currently 2 videos, one recapping day 1 and 2, ending on the Havana Nights event, and a second video ending with a party at Area 15. Links to those videos will be in the comments section. I appreciate the effort of the GLCS crew that worked the event. A big shout out goes to Missy Hetland, who spent months coordinating and putting everything together for us. Without her, our events wouldn't go off as smoothly as they do. Let's go to the Broker Carrier Summit in Tampa, Florida next week. The Broker Carrier Summit is changing the logistics industry by creating an environment for freight brokers and motor carriers to come together and build their network, create reliable relationships, and increase profitability. I've recently written an article on this topic, but as I learned more about the event through a few conversations with Robert Bain, Dan Lindsay, and a few others, it truly struck a chord with me. It's a topic that's near and dear to my heart. I have many clients that are carriers, brokers, and both carriers and brokers. The topics that are being addressed are conversations that I've been having for nearly 30 years, and the stories don't typically change. I've worked in nearly every operation and sales position related to moving freight in my career, and I don't believe we've moved this bar at all as an industry. I know some have succeeded where others have failed. I'm looking forward to an open, creative discussion to move this topic forward. I'm excited to be joining the attendees at Broker Carrier Summit. I'm looking forward to a few days of discussion, as well as the potential solutions that may come out of this summit. Most of all, Trey Griggs, I hear, is likely to be going bald if 300 attendees are achieved. A lucky random attendant will be shaving his head. If 500 attendees are achieved, Robert Bain is dropping his beard on stage as well. These are 3 events that you can't miss. I hope we reach 500 attendees, and I hope someone brings some pretty powerful clippers. I'll be accompanied to the summit by She Trucking founder Sheree Moore. Sheree represents a group of 30,000 drivers, owner-operators, and company owners, including women and minorities. Sheree has been featured on CNN several times, National Geographic Television, Breaking Bobby Jones, Adam Carolla Show, Freight Waves, as well as many other mediums. Her foundation's cornerstone is to educate, advocate, and empower drivers, and I believe bringing her and her foundation's viewpoints to this summit is in its exact design. I know there's a number of additional partners that are going to this event, and I look forward to seeing you all there. The next episode of Driving Forward is coming soon. Please keep on the watch for it. If you are in transportation and have an inspiring story, we want to hear all about it. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us to chat. Send an email to njohnson@glcs.net. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Until next time, drive forward with purpose and innovation.